Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.
In this video clip, I'm going to show you the most common mistake people make when they're installing a timing belt and they think the belt is too short.
Now I'm going to install a belt starting at the bottom. Feed the new belt down and drop it down past the crank, and then I'm going to go down on from the bottom and put that belt in, because you got to start from the bottom. Let me go down there and do that. I got the belt started. The teeth of the belt are against the harmonic balancer, away from the engine. The back of the belt against that dampener there. Now I'm going to work the belt up past the mount and between the cover, and then flip it so that the teeth are against the crank. Once I work the belt into the cover here and pressed it up a little bit more past this dampener, it kind of flipped itself into the teeth of the crank.
There you have it. That's the most common mistake when people think the belt is too short. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.